Hey there, what's up YouTube? I'm in World7 coming at you with another Indiegogo website article product. Today we have something quite special. It is unique. And before we get started, I would like to invite you to come over and check out the past videos in the little bubble on top of all the Indiegogo products that I've been taking care of. And if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's take care of this product that we're going to talk about, which is called BlizzardLed. Interesting? Well, stick around because it is, especially if you're a snowboarder. Cool logo. That is sick. Like, isn't that sick? Man, I wish I could do that cool stuff. Dude, it's got like fire crap. I wonder what the battery life is on that with the cold and whatnot. But then again, it is rubbing against the snow, so maybe it's a little warm. But I don't think so, actually. By the way, I'm not a professional snowboarder in any way, or even good. Like noob, like legit noob at snowboarding. I don't even know how to ski. Microcontroller. Accessory fits? What do you mean? Okay, so it's an app? These guys have done a decent job of their video. I love the electricity. The static. Okay, this makes me want to get back at snowboarding, or actually get even good at it, because last time, I've only done it like twice, and it didn't go that well. I enjoyed it, but it did not go well. Okay, that's the video. Now let's go to their site. And if you're interested, don't forget to hit the subscribe button with a follow and the like and the bell activated so you get notified whenever the new videos for Indiegogo from N107, which is moi, comes out. As always, here's the website on Indiegogo. This is their site. This is a pre-launch, so a launch soon section item, so there's not going to be much here. We're not going to spend much time on the site, but I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested in supporting this product. Honestly, there's the video, there's the sign up with 50% off and whatnot. And then it says we're proud to introduce it, shows some pictures, and it tells you it's gonna have a gyroscope and accelerometer, which I think it's cool, I guess. I mean, it'll be cool to, now I'm thinking about it, my nerd brain just kicked in. It's gonna be really good because you're gonna be able to have dynamic animations based on how you're moving and whatnot with that gyroscope accelerometer. It says 8 gigabytes of storage, can maintain 1,000 plus additional visuals. Probably, on top of the pre-installed ones, plus the operating software, which more than likely is going to be Android. And then, of course, iOS and Android compatibility on your mobile device. Easy attachable, detachable, adhesive layer surface, which I am wondering the dynamics of it. If you're a professional or something and you know how this is going to work, or technically how it's going to go on the board, let me know on their social medias and N107. And, of course, I do have Facebook if you're into that. But I'm wondering about heat, durability, damage to it, like how easy it's going to be to detach, attach, the battery in them. I think they're battery operated, so with the cold temperatures, definitely how is that going to play into the equation? All those things, like, I need answers, right? Then, of course, when you go down on the website, you have the video. This one's sort of a time-lapse where they explain and show, they don't explain, they actually just show the process of how the LEDs are built. It's pretty interesting. I suggest watching it, but I won't show it because it's not that interesting, like it's more you watch it by yourself if you're into that stuff. And there we go. We have some shots over here. Like, it looks good. Like these shots look good. The product is just, wow. Like, I didn't think about this. I'm definitely not a snowboarder, pro or anything. I'm a noob, like I mentioned, I think earlier. Like, I'm a legit noob at snowboarding, but my wife and I are interested in doing this once more because, like, our initial try together wasn't that great. That was like my second or third time doing it, and I still blew it, and I was not a good teacher. So that's pretty much the product. Like, there's not much. It is a launching soon item, so I'm gonna definitely keep an eye on it. It's definitely follow me on social medias and the YouTube channel with the subscribe and all that good stuff, so you get notified whenever, you know, updates come out on this, because I'm interested in the company behind this, and you guys, the makers of this, hit me out with a review unit, and I'll definitely get down to working, and I'm gonna test it right. Of course, it's gonna come from the noob perspective, so be patient, but I'll do a good job when it comes to the video itself. Trust me. I think I would need to find a pro. Or maybe I just need to become a pro. Yeah. Why not? Easy peasy, right? Anywho, let me know what you think of this product everywhere on the interwebs, and I'll talk to you all next time. Peace.